What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something that we're gonna try to fix. Let me show you exactly what we got here. So here on this this setup here, this is how the previous owner got this set up. So what we got here is we've got the spacer, but we're still getting an error. So we're gonna take these off and see if we can put a different setup in there to resolve that issue. So here's what we got. So we've got this nice 90-degree elbow and this little catalytic converter. So in order to set this up, this is gonna come off. And then this is gonna screw in to here. And then we're gonna put our O2 sensor here. And then we've got our lovely washer, which is gonna go right here. And then we're gonna set it up. So right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this guy taken off right here, and we're just gonna go from there. All right, here we go. Got the first one off. So, yeah, this is what was on there. So now we just got to get this disconnected. This sits in a little cradle back there, so you got to pull that out, plug that out the socket, and let's see if we can get this new setup in. All right, so we got our first one free. I'm gonna go ahead and install this here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the O2 sensor in here. And I'm going to go ahead and install this into here. Okay, so first setup is complete. We'll go ahead and see what we can do for the other side. So what I ended up doing was holding down the O2 sensor with this, taking this impact and letting it free. Since I can't get to the plug, we'll work it this way. So here's what we got right now. So you can see the sensor is hanging right here. Okay, so it's a really tight space. I was finally able to get it to situate properly. So there's that one, the one on the left side, much easier, a lot easier to work with, plenty of space. So there you have it. So we'll go ahead, we'll test this out, and we'll let you know if it actually works. And we get rid of that Christmas tree check engine light setup. As for this video, we're done and out. I'll catch you guys on the next one.